Hey peoples, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Catherine and I'm the girl behind VintageDisneyBound. Today I'm starting a new series. I am going to take my favorite Disney characters and do an eyeshadow look. So first up is Captain Phasma from the new Star Wars. Captain Phasma has been around since the books, so she's been around for a while, but this is the first time we actually get to see her in the movies, and so she's like one of my favorite characters from the books because I think she's so interesting, so I thought I would do a look on her, and I was thinking about doing this really smoky eye. So let me show you what eye makeup I'm doing. So it looks kind of like this. It's very smoky, it's very dark, and it's very glittery, so I'm going to try to capture that. So what I'm going to use, the palette I'm going to use today is my W7 Color Me Buff, and it has all these pretty shades. So it has all these neutral shades, but it works for this look, you know. I also might dabble into my Oakland Gel Bounce palette just to use this pretty black color right here, but I don't know yet, so we shall see. First up, I'm going to dump out my makeup bag so I can find a brush. Okay, so first things first is I'm going to take my foundation color and I'm going to use this as a primer. The only thing I don't like about my W7 palette is that it does not come with a mirror in it, so I'm going to be using a different palette for a mirror. So just slab this on. Actually might take a little brush and just buff that in so it blends easier. Personally, for me, I like foundations better as a primer than most eyeshadow primers. It just works for me better. Plus, most eyeshadow primers are oily, and I need something more a little mattifying since I have such oily eyelids. Oily face, oily eyelids, oily everything, basically. Because then I also have oily hair because tonight is my washing day. So there's the primer on. So as I said, we're going to go into the Y7 Color Me Buff Natural Nudes eyeshadow palette. The first color I'm going to use is this pretty vanilla shade. Just to put it all over my lid. And that's going to be the base color. And it also has a slight shimmer to it, so it might bring out the black and all the other colors that we're going to use. And I have my phone down here so I can see the picture still. I'm taking this a little above my crease area too. And then just for a very light transition color, I'm going to take this beige color right here. Hopefully I'm getting this on camera because I saw my last video I did, I was like missing it all over. It's like, oops, sorry about that. So we're just going to the crease area. I'm taking the same brush because it's just a transition color. We don't really need anything special right now. And I'm taking this a little above my crease area, so we have that transition. As it's pointed out, it is as a transition color, you know? Okay, so it's very light. The next color we're going to use is this shimmery gray color, which is actually gorgeous. So then I'm going to take an e.l.f. brush and pat this 3/4 on the lid. This color is quite powdery, but it blends out super well. so I don't mind it being powdery. We're going to pack a lot of color on, so if you don't like a lot of color, this might not be the makeup look for you. But you can always simplify it if you want. This is just what I'm doing. Because I do want to match the picture, but I'm using affordable brand, so the colors might be exactly right, you know, the first time, so I have to pack a lot of color. I'm also wearing my geek shirt because I'm a geek. I'm a total geek. I'm not a nerd, I'm a geek. There's a difference. We're just adding color and buffing it. You want to leave the inner corner bare because we're going to add a highlighting color in there. Okay. And then I'm going to deepen this up a little bit, so I'm going to use my Aphrodite palette, and then I'm going to use this shimmery silver color here. Tap this off because it's quite pigmented, and just go over it. See how much more intense that makes it? So pretty. Hopefully I'm not blocking it out. And we are quite close, so I can show you guys how to do this makeup tutorial. So you actually guys can see the colors instead of like far away. Okay. Next, we're going to use that black color from the Color Me Buff color. So we're going to use that black color. And I'm going to take an angle brush first so I can just sculpt it out where I want the black to go. And don't worry, we will clean this up with concealer or foundation or something, whatever you prefer. So don't mind. So we want to go in the outer corner here. And this is perfect because I'm seeing Star Wars tonight. Okay. And take a similar e.l.f. brush and just blend that. Blending. Keep adding and blending. There we go. Get it to the intensity that you want. It does look like a mess right now, but we're going to clean it up. And don't worry your pretty little head. Just make sure you blend it. I got it to the intensity that I wanted it at. You guys don't have to have it this dark, but I'm going to. Then taking a shade from my Bad Habit Royals palette, I'm going to take the color Queen, which is this pretty champagne vanilla color. I'm going to take a flat brush and just go to that inner corner. Ugh, gross. I'm just gonna brush up all the excess powder, all the fallout. Sorry if I'm blocking this, I just need to see. Okay, to make it a little more intense, I am using like 3 different palettes. No, 1, 2, 4 now. I'm going to take my Oakland Gel Bounce eyeshadow, and I'm going to take the color Marzipan, which is this pretty champagne color. And I'm going to take that on the flat brush. I'm going to go over that inner corner. And then go back in with Queen and go over that. I do want this highlight to be like popping. Okay. Perfect. And then I'm going to take the color Crown, which is this gold beige color. It has what slight shimmer to it. Take that flat brush again. Take a little bit of it, pat it off, and go over in the center. And I'm doing very lightly. I don't want too much. And yeah, so we want to make a little shimmer. So I'm going to do the rest of my face and we'll be back with eyeliner and mascara and lips to pair off with this. I'll see you guys in a little bit.